welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Ruby. I film mommy videos and makeup videos, and in today's video we are going to take a look at the LU lashes. These lashes were started by a friend of mine. I'm actually really excited for her. I've been using one of her lashes and I freaking love it. This is a 24K lash. I've been using these non-stop. I use these for like natural neutral looks. Obviously today I have more of an exaggerated look, but that's okay because I'm gonna show you guys how they all look with a look like this. So let's take a look. So first lash we're gonna take is the 24K gold lashes. These are the lashes that I tell you guys that look really great with like natural neutral looks, especially if you don't want to do any sort of eyeshadow or eyeliner. You can use these by themselves. I know a lot of girls do that, and I've been doing that a lot lately actually because I've been loving these lashes. But I'm gonna try them on with this type of look so you guys can see how all the lashes look with more of a defined, exaggerated look, I guess you could say.
Hi ladies! So I wanted to add that the lashes are $10 plus shipping. Not only that, so she's working on a monthly subscription so you can get these lashes every month, and I was like, girl, yes, sign me up for this. I want these lashes every month. Who wouldn't want 100% handcrafted lightweight lashes and the mail every month? Like, come on now. She did say that she was still working on the website, so you guys are going to have to give her a little bit of more time. But not only that, I wanted to say that I am in no way getting paid for this to promote her or her lashes at all. I honestly do love her lashes. I genuinely love them. Like, I'm still wearing them. Like, I have them on right now. But I also wanted to say, like, when your peers are trying to upcome in like a family business or start their own business on the side, support them. You know, like, we are at that age that we should be helping our peers. Like, if we don't help them, who will? You know what I'm saying? But yes, so I'm gonna leave all the links in the description down below so you can send her some love, and of course, you know, check her out. And yeah, so that's all I wanted to say for now, guys, and let's continue to the next clip.
Applicator, I guess you could say, and I really love that. I remember I wore Vegas Nay lashes, I think that's what they're called, and it have like a very thick lash line, and I really hate that because throughout my baby shower I was like, because I couldn't resist how thick that lash line was. And what I love about these is they all have a very thin one. That's why I was using like dollar lashes for the longest time ever, because they had the thin line. But then I found these because these are like amazing lashes. She did a great job at these. Like, wow. Like, if I got these in the mail and she needed improvement, I would have told her, but these are actually really amazing. I was very amazed. I even told her, I was like, wow girl, you did amazing on these lashes. So shall we take a look at the rest? So now I'm gonna open up these lashes right here. It's gonna be my first time actually applying these. I was waiting to use all these lashes, but I wanted to wear them first on camera. So what I like about the packaging is that you can just scoot it out. Look at this, push it out, push it back in, and you can do it for the other side as well. All right, ladies, so this was the last pair of lashes that I got. It was 3 in total. Lashes are actually really beautiful. She did a really great job on these. I also wanted to add that these are 100% mink lashes. They're handmade as well. I will link the Instagram right here and in the description down below so you guys can check it out, see what you guys like. Yes, ladies, I'm not going to ramble anymore. I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video and leave a comment down below of what lash was your favorite lash. Thank you so much for watching, ladies, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Hi, ladies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, oh wait, no, I already did an intro.